Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a natural hairstyle using perm rods. If you would like to see how I derived this gorgeous look using just perm rods, keep watching. So today I'm going to be installing perm rods in my hair. So in this video, you're going to see me come out with a perm rod style. Like, this chick is crazy. No, I'm just trying to open the pack. This is what they look like in this bag, and I have a total of 32. Hopefully they're a decent size and I won't run out, you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. These are the perm rods. These are the sizes. I'm going to wrap my hair around the barrel and then I'm going to secure it by snapping the end on. I have my spray bottle that I will spritz my hair with water in the event that my hair starts drying out. I have my oil. I already have leave-in conditioner in my hair, so I'm not going to be applying any of that. But I do have the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, which I'll be using to apply to my hair before twisting it up with the perm rods. Let's go! My hair's in sections. It is still very damp. I simply took the t-shirt off of my hair. My hair still feels really hydrated. The biggest concern is always having your hair dry out. I'm just gonna apply some oil to my hand. I have my detangling brush and I have my rat tail comb.
Here I am simply sectioning my hair into smaller sections using my detangling brush to detangle my hair further. Then I would apply the mousse to my hair. Then I will go in with my perm rod starting from the end. I will spin it around the barrel and I will repeat the process on my entire hair. It is now time to take the perm rods down. I left them in for just over a day. I allowed them to properly air dry, and now it's time for the takedown process. You can see based on my reaction that I'm absolutely loving this perm rod style. What do you think about it? Do you like the style? I definitely like how it turned out. My hair is light and bouncy. There was not a firm hold from using the lot of body foaming mousse, and my hair is shine. Once again, the result is gorgeous, and I will definitely be using the perm rods again in my hair. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, do subscribe and hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know if you've tried perm rods. Thank you once again for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.